1329 craning. I want to let you know what we're going to do with the driveway. So we're going to replace all that, and we found out we can't do gravel, so we're going to go cement all the way to the garage. We can keep it in budget though, so that's going to be good. So we'll get all this taken care of, but you'll have a brand new cement driveway all the way to the garage. So let's go inside. They haven't started on the basement yet, but they got other stuff going. So we got say hi. It's Terry.
Hi.
What's your name again?
Alicia.
Alicia and Terry. So yeah, they're getting all this painted and getting this taken care of. We'll get baseboard back down here on that, but it's really looking good. So you can see here they got all this painted, all this, and this is covered. So he's got a plan for the floors to get those nice and clean and polyed. Yep. So we got that, and then we have the bathroom here, and then you can see here they've also got this all painted. Really looking good. So you can see how much they cut in the lines on the ceiling there. Again, this is the same thing. Check the floors. All the baseboards being painted too. So it's really important to paint everything when you're doing that. You know, you want to make sure that the hardware looks good. You want to make sure that everything's good. Plugs, switches, everything's new that can go out. And that's pretty much what we're doing here. And you can see all this was taken off. So we'll paint these floors here. And you can see here they're getting that. They're painting the baseboards right now. That's what she's doing. So that's very good. So you can see here, they got all the drywall. Prep is a big deal with these, and then we'll clean these floors, redo these. But again, prep's a big deal on these, and rehab's a big thing too. So it's got to be affordable. It's got to be reasonable for everybody to make money. So if you're looking for investment real estate, especially homes, it's what I really recommend. They're solid investments, consistent income. This is just one of them. 216-703-5740. 216-703-5740. Please like and subscribe.